One of the easiest and the fastest way for you to create your ebooks and your PDF guides or your digital product is to use AI tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step guide that you can follow to create your ebooks using AI tool. Now, this is an upgraded version of the former video that I made before. If you're following me on this channel, you know that I have a video where I talked about how you can create your ebook in 10 minutes. That video, I'm linking it to the description. So make sure you check the description section for that video. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, make sure that you watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure also that you turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss whenever I share values like this on this channel. All right, having said that, let's get straight into the video. Let's talk about how to create your ebooks and PDF guides using AI. Now, there's something I actually tell people: before you create your ebook, you have to first ask yourself, what exactly do you want to do? Do you want to create something that can actually help people solve a pressing problem, or do you want to help them achieve their goals faster? Because 99% of people just go ahead and create ebooks without doing a proper research. If you don't do research, you're going to stress yourself to create a product that you end up not being able to sell. And that's one of the challenges I had when I started out. Nobody told me this. I found out by myself by doing trial and error. So, but since you're watching this right now, you don't have to go through all those process. That's why I'm telling you this. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and do your research. Why are you doing research? You want to know the exact pain points that people are facing in that area where you want to create your guide. You want to find out what exactly are people willing to buy. All right, where are these people? Who are they? What are the challenges they are talking about? What are the things they need more information about? All right, you need to first sit down and actually count the cost. Think about some of these things. All right, if you really want to learn exactly how I do research, I created a step-by-step video course. All right, a video program that shows you more about this research. So you check that in the description. So let's say we want to do research right now. How exactly do we do a very simple research? It's very simple. The simplest way to do it is to go on social media to find out what people are talking about in your niche. Let's say maybe you are into food business, you bake cake, you bake cakes, and you want to actually find out the challenge that you can solve in the cake industry. Or maybe you are in the health niche and you want to actually find out something about diabetes, how you can solve diabetes. Or maybe you are into food business, you want to help people create meal plans. You need to go to social media and actually find out what people are talking about. Like, for example, right now, this is one of the research I created, I was doing on YouTube. As you can see, just take a look at this. So right here, what you're seeing, this is my YouTube. Okay, this is where I actually do my research. Sometimes if I want to find out a product that I want to create, you can use Facebook to do your research. You can use TikTok to do your research. You can use any other social media where you have people to do your research. The main thing is just for you to understand the process that you can use to do your research. Once you understand that, you can apply it on any other social media platform. But for this particular example I want to show you now, I'll be using YouTube to do that. So let's first imagine that we are creating a solution in the area of weight gain or weight loss. Okay, so what you are going to do is to enter your YouTube, or if you're using TikTok or whatever platform you are using, you come to the search area here. Okay, this search here, let me go back. You can see this search area on the top right. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to type that thing that is related to the kind of solution you want to offer. Remember, I said we are using an example of weight gain. Okay, so let's say how to gain weight. how to gain weight fast. Are you seeing different options now? How to gain weight fast, how to gain weight in your buttocks and thigh, how to gain weight for skinny girls. Okay, let's say you're creating a solution for skinny girls. Now, let me make you understand something. You don't have to be in that niche. You don't have to be an expert in that field. You just need to identify a particular problem that you can solve, something that is a major problem in that industry that you have knowledge about. That's the main important thing. Okay, so you don't have to say, okay, I must be a doctor before I should be able to know how to help people solve diabetics problem. No. Do you understand? If you do that, you're going to be limiting yourself. So for instance, let me give you a very good case scenario. Your parents might be very good with some native health treatments. Maybe you guys know about natural ways to cure some disease or something like that. All right, so you don't have to be an expert in that area. Okay, just know something that a lot of people don't know something better than them and have the solution. And then once you have that solution, you have that information, you can actually create the solution for them. So for instance, now I'm not into anything that has to do with health or weight gain, but with what I want to show you now, I can actually find out the real problem in that industry. Are you getting now? I can decide to even create a solution in the area of food. I can use this same strategy of doing research to actually find out how people can actually create some recipes. Or maybe if I want to say, okay, I want people to actually learn how to bake cake without oven. Cake is a business that a lot of women will want to learn about, and so many of them may not have money to buy oven. I can use this same knowledge of research to actually find out the solution I want to be creating. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. So the essence is for you to just understand how to actually find out what is the major problem you want to solve. What are people crying about? Are you getting now? Enough said about that. So how to gain weight. Okay, so when we say how to gain weight, we are going to search for it. Now what we want to do here is to go to the top videos and check the comment section. Are you getting what I'm saying now? We check the comment section. Why are we choosing the top videos? We are choosing the top videos because most of those top videos are the videos that will have the highest engagement. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So once we find that out, we go to the comment section. So let's click on this video. As you can see, this is Aproko Doctor. If you know him online, you know he's very good with all this weight gain, health supplement and all of that. So let's click on it. We are not watching the video, we are just going to the comment. We are not watching the video, we are just going to the comment section. So we come to the comment section. Why are we coming to the comment section? That's where we are going to see the pain points. That's where we're going to see all the praises and the cries and the pain points that people are crying about. So we come to the comment section, we click on it, and then we start checking. So it's in this comment section now that you start seeing people saying, I tried this, it did not work. I did this, it did not work. I'm trying to lose weight, I've been doing it for 30 days, it's not working. What else can I do? That is where you now start picking the actual things that people are crying about that you can talk about. Are you getting what I'm saying? And that gives you insight. Okay, I think my internet is kind of slow, but that gives you insight. Are you getting now? Let's say we are making our book about weight gain. Follow me, guys. We're making our book about weight gain. All right, so with this, it's going to help us to actually know how to craft our offer, how to craft the title of our book or the title of our guide. Are you getting now? This is a very powerful thing I'm showing you now, which a lot of people don't know. Okay, so follow me. Good. You can see this is the comment section. Let's read it together and see what people are saying. Now you're going to focus more on the questions that people are asking. Are you getting now? The questions that people are asking, you are going to focus more on that. Okay, this one says, I'm really glad I clicked this video. In Ghana and Nigeria, being slim feels almost like a taboo and blah blah blah. People treat you like, okay, let's look for the question. This is too long. You can take your time to look at it if you want, but we are looking for complaints. We are looking for complaints. Not having enough money is also part of the underweight issue. Can you see? This is something you can reflect in your title. For instance, let's make an example. How to gain weight in 30 days or less, even if you don't have enough money. Are you seeing this idea now? So you're getting it now. You can craft your title based on what people are actually asking and the pain points. Like I've just made a simple example. That's not a perfect one, but it's something you can play along with or play around with. Are you seeing this now? How to gain weight in 30 days or less without spending much money. Now this person here thinks that they need to have a lot of money to gain weight, but you can actually go around it without even having much money. It just depends on the kind of meals, how you plan your meals. Are you seeing this now? So that's that. Okay, you keep going to check what people are actually complaining about. Can you see now? This one says, thank you, sir. I don't try everything needed to gain weight, but I still remain the same or even reduce weight. Now, this is another pointer to what you can do in your title or in your offer. You can say, okay, how to gain weight in 30 days or less without spending much, even if you have tried everything else. Are you seeing now? So these complaints will actually give you a data of what you should include in your digital products. Are you getting what I'm saying now? If you are getting value from this, go to the comment section and drop a message for me. I'm getting value from this, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, because this is hot, powerful information and valuable information I'm sharing with you. Most people don't know this. They just go ahead and create that digital product. Once you do this clearly, you have gotten like 50% of your job done. All right, now let's find the money to eat healthy. Are you getting now? Eating healthy is part of it, so it's a pointer to what you can include in your digital product or your guide. Are you seeing this now? You keep scrolling and looking at what people are actually complaining about. Can you see? Beans, egg, fish, nuts, avocado. Thanks, doctor. That means in the video, the content creator talked about beans, egg, fish, nuts, avocado. That means if you eat this food, you are likely to grow fat and gain weight. If you eat this food, you are likely to gain weight. That means you need to go and do some research to know if this food are actually what you need to include in your offer, in your digital products. Are you getting now? So let's say we have gotten some information here. All right, let's say we have gotten some information here. What else do we do? You repeat the same process for all other videos that are under. Are you seeing it now? Let's go out from here. You repeat the same process for all other videos. Are you getting now? You repeat the same process for all other videos. Now once you are done with that, you write them down. Are you getting me now? You write them down. Once you write them down, what you are going to do now is to go ahead to the AI tool that we use to create our digital product. So what you do, I'll exit from here. I'll exit from there and I'll go to the AI tool. The AI tool I'm going to be using is called ChatGPT. This is the most basic one that you can use as a beginner. There are different ones, okay? There are different ones. I can't talk about all of that in this video, but there are different ones. If you want me to talk about that, then just drop a message for me. If I get more responses, I'm going to make another video teaching you about the different AI tools that you can also be using to create your digital product. Okay, so this is ChatGPT, the tool that you can actually use to create your digital product. So what do you do here? You go to your Google Play Store and download it if you're using Android. For iPhone users, I don't know which one you use, but for Android, you go to your Google Play Store and download it. You can download the app. So once you download it, you enter the app. All right, let's load it. So now, this tool you are seeing here can help you to brainstorm your ideas, can help you to actually find out what you want to create. It can even help you to create your digital product very, very fast. All right, so follow me. Let me show you exactly what you can do. You can create image here. You can summarize a text. You can analyze an image. You can analyze data. But for us now, we are creating our digital product. So instead of typing or stressing yourself to write, you can come here and give this AI a prompt. When we say prompt, we are talking about the language. You are speaking a language to it to help you create. I believe you're getting this now. If you're getting this, tap the like button. Make sure that you subscribe, all right? And comment. Tell me that you're getting value from this. So let's go. Another thing I like to do when I'm creating my digital product here is to use the voice option. All right, I use the voice option. This is the voice option here below right hand side. That's the voice option. You can see something that looks like a microphone there. So what I do is to click on it and then I speak into it. All right, once I speak into it, everything is going to be registered as a text. It's going to be converted as a text, and once it converts as a text, it will now give me the answers to what I want. I don't know if you're getting it now. Very, very simple. I can't do that in this video because I'm showing you this and I'm recording live. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use the simplest option, which is to type. So I'll come here and type and say I want to create a simple step-by-step guide that shows people how to gain weight in less than 30 days. I think 30 days is too small. We can make it 60 days. Yeah, you can say 60 days or 90 days, depending on how you want to create your digital product. But you must make sure that your title is very powerful enough to grab people's attention. Okay, I want to create a simple step-by-step guide that shows people how to gain weight in less than 30 days without spending much. Okay, without spending much. Then in brackets here, you say even if you've tried many options. Can you see the power of our research now? We are including some of the things we discover from our research into our title. All right, now create the title. Now you must make sure that you are very specific with your prompts that you are giving to this AI, otherwise you may not get the best results. Create the title and make it 10 pages. Are you seeing this now? So let's just use this as our sample. You can do more than this, but for the sake of this tutorial, so it won't be too long, I just want to use a very short prompt. Also, you tell it include basic meal plans in the guide. Okay, so let's see what this ChatGPT is going to do for us. So once you are done with this, what you are going to do is to click on this arrow that is pointing up. Once you click on it, it will start creating the digital product. So we click on this and you can see it's already loading. Can you see? It's creating our ebook and our digital product very, very fast. You can see it's giving us title options. It say pick one, 30 days weight gain blueprints. Now you're going to pick the one that suits you very well, the one you really like. You pick it. You can see page 1, introduction. Page 2, why you are not gaining weight. Page 3, the rules of weight gain. Page 4, choose foods that help you gain weight. Are you seeing now? This is a very, very powerful tool that is actually doing the work. Are you seeing this now? So you don't have to be an expert to actually know these things. You can actually use this tool to fast track your work. Do you know that this is actually a digital product that we can actually start selling immediately? All right, you can see it has created everything. So the next thing you're going to do here is to copy this stuff. If you are satisfied with what you have gotten, all you need to do is to copy it. It's even giving us an option, say if you want, I can help you turn this into a fine design PDF you can sell for 5k to 20k. Are you seeing this now? You can actually do this. This is actually a digital product that we sell. I know, because I've done it before. Are you getting this? If you're getting value from this, please like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell, because this is value right here. All right, and I need you to support me on this channel. So what do you do next after here? What you do is to copy this and you go to where we call your Google Docs. All right, you can download Google Docs from your Google Play Store just as you've done it. So when you come to Google Docs, this Google Docs, you click on the plus sign right side below. Click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, you copy this here and then you paste everything here. You paste everything here. Everything you've copied, you paste it here. So once you paste everything here, you come and edit it very well. All right, you edit it very well, and once you edit it very well, you have to save it. And once you edit it very well, all right, edit it very well, now you have to come and save it as a PDF file. All right, you save it as a PDF file. You can see that we already have our content ready. So you save it as a PDF file, and once you save it as a PDF file, you can download it to your phone. Then you can say you have your digital product, your ebook or your PDF guide. This is just very, very simple. If you want to learn, this is exactly how you can create your digital product or your ebook or your PDF guide. This is very simple. I believe you got value from this. If you got value from this, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell. All right, now the other part of this video, which is very, very important, is something I cannot share on this video because I don't want it to be too long. But if you really want to learn the exact things you need to be doing before and after this process, make sure that you go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link to my step-by-step video course. All right, it's a video course that shows you everything you need to know. So what you need to do is to go to the link in the description, check for the link. You are going to find the access link there. Just click on it and you get more details about all of that. That's all for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.